Let's talk about the paper process. This includes all of the steps required for your customer to actually issue a purchase order and cut a check to make a purchase. This can be included in the decision process in some situations, especially for SMB situations. But let's jump into this. So when we think about the paper process, what we're talking about is from review and approval to legal, finance, and procurement. What are the steps required to cut that check? Some questions you want to ask yourself are, is each stakeholder available in time for your forecasted close date? Could an attorney on vacation possibly make this deal slip to the next quarter, for example? Do you understand their budget and funding release process, the different people, departments that you'll be dealing with? Maybe does it include a board or committee approval? And who's involved and how much time will it take? So these are all some questions that you want to ask yourself when thinking about the paper process. And I would like to pivot back to our handbook and look at our sales operating procedures again, really briefly, and look at the deal closure stage here. So this is our third step in our sales operating procedure. So just like your customer is going to have a paper process on their end, likewise, we have our own paper process here. So when we think about closing the deal, we're talking about creating a mutual close plan, which is really a timeline of all the necessary tasks, individuals, and deadlines to get that deal through. Rediscovery, which is kind of re-verifying the business drivers, creating a deal package, negotiating, and finally, creating a quote, a final quote, as well as a master service agreement and getting the signature. So I encourage you to come back here and read this in more detail, but I wanted to introduce this page as a part of our paper process here at GitLab and how we align with our customers' paper process. Thanks for watching.